Today we're going to be reviewing what we worked on yesterday so that we can get some extra practice in of crossing out numbers or circling certain numbers. Remember to stay nice and organized and to ask yourself on every single number the same question, okay? If I don't know if the bigger is greater than or less than, what can I use to help me figure that out? I can look at a hundreds number chart to find the number and see if it's greater than or less than the other number. So, you guys are going to help me highlight some very important words. But let's read the story first so that we can get it in our brain. Mrs. Yonker crossed out the numbers greater than 54 and less than 32. What number cards does Mrs. Yonker have now? So, first of all, am I going to be crossing out numbers? Or am I going to be circling numbers?
Or crossing out.
What am I going to be doing?
Crossing them out.
How do you know that?
Because it says.
It says cross out. So if I want to circle those words, that is great because that reminds us we are going to be doing what? Crossing them out. I'm going to be putting an X over them. What other words should I highlight that are very important?
Greater than 54 and less than 32.
You are exactly right. Are there two different things that I need to do? Are there two different things I need to do? Yes, I do. There are two different things that I need to do. So first, I am going to find the numbers that are greater than 54. So what am I going to ask myself on every single number? First
Is
grade?
it greater than 54?
Okay, very good. So, ready? Is it greater than 54?
No. Is it greater than 54? No. Is it greater than 54? No. Is it greater than 54? No. Is it greater than 54? No. Is it greater than 54? Yes.
So what am I going to do?
Cross it out.
Why did you say cross it out?
Because it says.
Very good. So are we done?
No.
Why not?
Because we have to do less than make the sentence.
Okay, we still have to do less than 32. So what am I going to ask myself on every single number?
Is it less than 32?
Very good.
Is it less than 32? Yes.
So what am I going to do?
Cross it out. Is it less than 32? Yes.
So what am I going to do?
Cross it out. Is it less than 32? No.
So what am I going to do?
Nothing.
Cool.
Is it less than 32? No. No. Is it less than 32? No.
Very good. So what numbers are my answers?
35, 47, 53.
Is she right?
Yes.
I would completely agree with her. It is 35, and you're right. We do have to put commas between my numbers because then it would look like one huge number, and it's not. Why did I not write 16, 23, and 61?
Because those are less than and greater.
Okay, they are crossed out. Did I want to write? I gave them away. Do I have those numbers anymore?
No.
No, I do not. So, these are the numbers that Mrs. Yonker has. Okay, very good. Let's do one more, and then we will do our practice page. Okay, so let's read it first, and then, sir, come stand by me. And then we will highlight the important words. Okay? Mr. Corby keeps the number cards that are less than 13 and greater than 20. What number cards does Mr. Corby keep? So this one's just a little bit different. What am I going to highlight? What's the important word that makes it a little bit different? What's the important word? Okay, less than 13 is very important. You are right, but there's something that I want to highlight before that so we know whether or not we're going to cross it out or circle it. Do you know whether or not we're going to cross it out or circle? Okay. Do you know whether or not we're going to cross it out or circle it?
Because it says keep.
Okay, very good. Do you see this word keep? That is very, very important. So what am I going to do to the ones that I keep? What am I going to do to them? Circle them. Okay? So we are going to circle the ones less than 13 and no, we've got to do one more step up here in our directions. We're not going to do our numbers yet. I'm clear up here in my directions, so I've got to highlight one more set of words. Greater than what? What's that number? Greater than 20. Okay, very good. So now, what am I going to ask myself?
Is it less than 13?
Very good. Okay, so.
Is it less than 13? Yes.
Is it less than 13?
Yes.
So what am I going to do to it?
Circle.
Very good. Why am I circling it and not crossing it out?
Because it said keep it.
It says
if you
keep.
keep it, then it's like still, like, they say if the circle that was on the one is like an imaginary thing, and you put it over there, it's like you keep it in your imagination, and if you cross it out, then you don't keep it in your imagination because it's crossed out.
Okay, very good. So we need to keep it because it says keep, so we're going to circle it. All right, next one.
Is it less than 13? Yes.
So what am I going to do?
Circle it. Is it less than 13? No.
So what am I going to do?
Nothing.
Good.
Is it less than 13? No. Nothing.
Good.
Is it less than 13? No. Nothing.
Very good job. So now am I done?
No. You want to do the greater one.
I have to do the greater than. So what am I going to ask myself?
Is it greater than 120?
Okay, very good.
Is it greater than 20? No. Nothing. 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 Is it greater than 20? Yes. Circle it.
Okay, so now, what am I going to write?
14 and 18. 1 and 23.
And?
And 8.
Why?
Since those are the ones in the circle and you're keeping.
Do you see?
It's like
It's
that.
different because it asks what number cards does Mr. Corby keep?
I thought it was
So you have to see which ones. If I cross it out, I do not want those. But if I circle, I do want those. So my answer first grade is 1, 8, and 23. There's a reason why we circled them, because that is that's our answer. Why did I circle them first grade?
Because that's our answer.
That's the ones that we keep. That is our answer.